Hello everybody, this is Larry Travis. The question that has been coming up lately is, why do I see X's on resources or drives that I should have access to? And the reason is because a server can only have so many resources. It gets maxed out. So if you have too many people on a server, it'll max out and crash the server. So just to give you an example, say for instance, you can only have 30 people on a server. So if you can only have 30 people on a server and 3 of those people aren't really using it, they're gone, they went to the store or something like that. Well, after X amount of minutes or hours, then it'll drop your connection off because it goes, well, you're not using it, you haven't touched any folders, you haven't used anything off this resource, this folder, so I'm going to drop you off and make myself available to somebody who really needs me. So if you can think of like Netflix does the same thing. Netflix can only have so many people, and that's why after you watch so many hours of a movie, it'll come up and say, are you still watching this? If not, cancel. If you are, hit continue. And so that's the whole thing. It's resources. The servers can only handle so many people at one time. Okay, so in this case, when you see an X, like say for instance on these drives right here, it's just saying, it's not saying that it's not available to you, it's just saying that you haven't used it in X amount of minutes or hours, okay? All predetermined by whoever manages that server. So if I click here, you'll see on triage data, as soon as I click, well, that's not a good example, but if I click here on the R drive, you see now it changed from the red X to it's available now. And if I do the same thing with the Ultracom server, see, now it changes because I've used that in X. Now I'm telling it I need to use your resources, and so it's giving it to me. Okay, so just to be aware, it's not saying that you don't have connection to it. It's just saying that the X means that you haven't used it in X amount of minutes or hours, and you need to refresh it basically. So think of it like a web page and stuff. You just click on it, and it'll refresh and stuff. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful. Have a nice day.